What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today, man. It's track day with RnB, man. Finally get to try on the slicks, boy. I've been dying to try this car on the slick, man. So there we got going on today. We finna hit the track. I'm gonna drive her down there. So we're gonna drive down there. Well, I'm gonna let Cuzzo drive it. We're gonna drive it down there. Change the tires, let it cool off, cause y'all know that blower, the engine don't get hot, it's just the blower get hot, man. And when the blower get hot, it make less power. That's a fact. But for now, finna go to the gas station, go put some pump gas in it, cause this joker needs some gas in it. She needs some gas. We won't even make it to the track, so we're gonna go ahead and gas up before time. Then, like I said, I mean, that's it. That's what I love about this car. It don't need all that extra stuff, man. Put some gas in it and ride. I might pull a little. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. It run better with racing gas, but we're gonna run on pump gas, man. Pure 93. See what we do. 93 octane. So that's what we about to do. We're gonna go to the gas station. Y'all stay. All right, y'all. We taking it in. So made it back from the gas station, man. Cuzzo went in the road, got some gas. Had stopped by ATM. All that good stuff. So RnB, she ready to roll, man. So we just waiting, we just chilling until it's time to go. And all of that. So you know, finna have a good little time, man. So y'all finally go see what this thing do on the slicks, man. So we're gonna see what it do. Y'all see my little brother done pulled up, Cedro. Fresh made bullies. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe. So like I told y'all, man, I'm finna have a good time. All that. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get to the track. Alright, y'all see it, man. We made it. RnB. Like I said, we finna go ahead and get the tire switched over. ASAP rocket. Cause we wanna go ahead and shake this thing down, cause we don't have no data on the slick except in Mexico. So we're gonna get the tire changed. And then we're gonna turn y'all back on. We're gonna be in the car.
Candy coated.
I'm a young stoner nigga in my candy all the time. Cold game motor, so I'm swerving lane to lane. Crazy ass whip, shout it, I done lost my brain. Stoner die, shout it, that's the fucking campaign. Hey, who I be? JMalcom, yeah, that's me. CEO 68, yeah, I'm fucking up the street. Whip is a homo, cause the candy is so sweet. Friendly ass rim, so you know they DUBs. Uneducated car, got a stupid ass whip. Uneducated pockets, got some stupid ass chips. Al Trent showed it, cause the boy be taking off. I be going hard, and y'all got them balls soft. Hey, Stoner die shouted, that's the fucking campaign.
Alright, y'all, checking in. So we're gonna go ahead and try to make the first shakedown. I mean, we done cool the car down as much as we can. So we finna see what it do, man. First pay, I'm coming straight off the train smoke, man. 2 step and all, man. We gonna try. We just gonna let the tree drop those, cause we trying to get an ET. We checking in. Gonna make that first shakedown. get some. Good little pad, man. Hey, I forgot to drag it, but we're gonna go back around and do a foot brake and see what's up. So we get that daytime footage for y'all. So y'all stay. Top side. Just ran down beside my boy Jonte, man. Good dude. Hey man, I'm gonna tell y'all something funny. I tried to buy Jonte car. I tried to buy that money car on one time, man. I like that car, man. That's a good running car. But felt pretty good. It kind of died on the top side, man. Right there at the 8. Like it, I don't know, might have ran out of fuel pressure or something. It couldn't keep up. That might be that. I'll tell you what it seemed like, the old fuel line. Too small of a fuel line, but you know, it is what it is. So I made 2 good licks. I gotta see what the ticket say. I ain't looked at neither one of the tickets cause I came straight back around a hot lap. But we're gonna see what the ticket say and check back in with y'all in a minute. I want to see what it look like on the front. So alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So y'all see we getting the RB back mounted up. We did what we came to do. Made a bunch of hits on this joke. That's all I can say. Y'all gotta see the video though. The videos, I should say. We made a bunch of hits on old RnB today. So yeah, I think it was 4 or 5. I think we might have did 5. Nah, 4 or 5, y'all. But y'all see all on. Y'all see all on. But we getting chained over because they had oil down the track. I was gonna shake Dolo down. Y'all know we brought both of them. I was gonna shake Dolo down again, but I'm just gonna get both of them back to the house call. Y'all know Dolo is that dog, man. That joker there. And I ain't going in that track if it been some oil, especially on the hard tire. It already spinning. Y'all seen that video by now though. Whoa. Shoot, we should be high enough. So I'm finna zip these things off here, y'all, and turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So y'all see, look, old RnB put up. She over there covered up, man. We got the wheel back on, all of that. Got it back to the house. Good night, man. It was a good night. Like I said, she did good, man. RnB, she did what I wanted her to do. I tell you that. She a lot faster with that remix. She night and day different, man, with the remix. And the car can go faster, but I'm happy with what it is, man. I'm not trying to turn that car up. Like, I want a good balance, but she did what I wanted her to do. She did what I wanted her to do. It can go faster if I just go to Middle Georgia and just change the surface. It'll go faster, but for the car to be, it was pure. We ran on pure 93 octane today. First time on the slicks. Came back home in one piece. Did nothing break. Feel good coming out the hole. The two-step definitely makes a difference, man. I got real world data. I'm gonna share that with y'all in the BCG Hangout. But I got real world data, man. That two-step is a night and day different, boy. I'm telling you, on all the way across the board. 60, 330, 660. Man, that two-step is a night and day difference. I'm just saying that two-step is it, boy. The two-step it. But like I said, we went down there. It was a little swaying. It was moving a little bit. Then y'all got to see Cuzzo video too. And you probably heard it on the GoPro, but we had a little fuel issue. But I said it on the GoPro too. I said I think it run out of fuel. That's that fuel line. I told you I should have went ahead and changed it, man. If you remember the video when I get the remake done, I told y'all originally I had gonna change the fuel system. Cause I figured it gonna need it. My bro Jesse thought it'll be okay. He said it might be alright, which it was okay in the street, but we had never made a real hit at that time. Now it needs it, so I'm gonna go back and put that -8 fuel line on it because it needs it, man. It need more fuel, man. It want to cut off. It want to shut off cause the fuel demand. But all in all, man, I'm satisfied. She a consistent car. She run good. I said it was on pump gas. We drove it down there. Changed the tire, and drove it back. That's how you do it. Real street car stuff, man. And she performed. She ain't do nothing she ain't supposed to do. She performed, man. I mean, straight up. But like I said, it was on pump gas. Of course, low boost. I'm not gonna turn it up no more. I'm not gonna spin it no harder cause I ain't got forged pistons in it. Y'all know that. I did not go forged pistons cause I never planned on turning it up, man. I'm not finna do that car like that. I did what I wanted to do, so but who knows what I did? Who knows what I did at the end of the day, man? But yeah, that's it, man. All in all, good day. Feel good out here tonight, man. Chilling in the garage and all that. Probably gonna go ahead and edit in a little bit, man. I got some more content coming for y'all too, man. I got a lot of content coming for y'all, man. So that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.